China's rapidly aging population poses some very serious challenges to its pension system. Earlier this year, authorities began piloting a new House for a Pension program that is similar to a reverse mortgage loan. Meng Qingsheng reports.
If you are retired and find your pension inadequate, would you be willing to sign away the deed to your house in exchange for a guaranteed monthly income? Mr. Kang and his wife, Ms. Ma, are the first couple in Beijing to say yes to this house for pension idea. The couple who lost their daughter tragically some years back now gets 9,000 yuan each month, over and above the pension they already receive.
I've worked all my life and bought a 3-room house. My retirement years will be happier if the property can be transferred into money. I believe I made the right choice.
Happy Life Insurance is the first company approved by the government to operate this scheme. It's testing the waters and accepting applications in the 4 test cities approved for the pilot: Beijing, Shanghai, Wuhan, and Guangzhou. All participants must also be between 60 to 85 years old. Those who are approved for the program receive monthly payments based on the market value of their property and their life expectancy.
Our business is a new one in China. It can be difficult for the elderly to fully understand. We need to work out better ways to introduce our insurance product.
Professor Dong Keyun specializes in pension systems. He says there are 3 main obstacles in the way of this new scheme gaining wider popularity. First, the traditional Chinese belief that parents should leave property to their children as an inheritance. Another issue is calculating life expectancy and how much will be paid for how long. It's also difficult to evaluate housing prices due to China's volatile property market and policy.
It's necessary to launch the House for Pension scheme in China. It provides one way of dealing with the financial pressures facing an aging population. However, it will not become a mainstream practice and would only serve as a complementary method.
The United Nations estimates China will have nearly 440 million people over the age of 60 by 2050, around a quarter of the total. That will put the already stretched pension system to the limit. And businesses and individuals may need to find their own ways to fill the gaps in the system. For elders like Mr. Kang and Ms. Ma, joining the House for Pension scheme can be a much safer way to ensure a decent life. But this program is not a one-size-fits-all solution. There are still many others in urgent need of financial support, and it's going to take time and testing to find an answer for everyone. Meng Qingsheng, CCTV, Beijing.